FX Impact Mk2 is a pre-charged pneumatic airgun built for precision, long-range shooting, and adjustability, featuring adjustable fine-tune power, regulator settings, and high accuracy. The air bottle. The air bottle features an integrated valve system designed to retain pressure even when the bottle is removed. This assembly consists of a valve body, a valve pin, and a seal. A spring keeps the pin seated to prevent air from escaping when the bottle is detached. In the cross-sectional view, the red color indicates compressed air. As the bottle is threaded into the adapter, the valve pin comes into contact with the adapter face and is pushed inward. It allows air to flow forward through the valve seat. The air path to the regulator. Air enters the trigger block cavities through the adapter and then flows toward the regulator. At this stage, the front gauge indicates the bottle pressure. The regulator. The regulator consists of adjuster screw, stack of Belleville washers, Teflon piston, and regulator housing. Air flows toward the plenum through the adjuster and piston. Increasing pressure in the plenum pushes the piston back toward the adjuster. It closes the air passage. The washers act as a precise spring system for regulation of pressure. The power plenum. It consists of plenum tube and valve housing. Regulated air pressure stores in them. The spring present here is actually return spring of outlet valve. The rear gauge indicates the pressure in the plenum, which helps in adjusting the regulator. Cocking and loading mechanism. When the cocking handle is pulled, it moves the reloading block backward. This block pushes the hammer and engages it with the upper sear. The lower sear holds the upper sear in position until the trigger is pulled. At the same time, the pellet probe moves and pushes a pellet from the magazine into the breech. At this stage, the gun is loaded and ready to fire. The safety lock. When it is set to safe mode, the trigger cannot move. When switched to fire mode, a relief cut in the safety cylinder aligns with the trigger, allowing it to be pulled through its full range of motion. The trigger. It has two stages. The first stage operates under spring compression, and the second stage works with a spring ball plunger. When the trigger is fully pulled, the sears disengage, releasing the hammer to strike the valve seat. The outlet valve. The final stage of the firing cycle involves the outlet valve assembly, which includes the hammer seat, valve stem, seal holder, seal, and valve pin. The hammer strike opens the valve. A burst of air rushes through the transfer port, propelling the pellet.